you can't get this TikToker haircut. And I'm going to explain to you why. Now, this haircut has been out for so long. I know some of you are so sick of it. However, I still see this haircut all over the place. College kids, high schoolers, so many people are wearing this haircut still to this day, and it's not going anywhere. But this is the reason why you are not getting this haircut. First things first is a lot of you, your hair is way too short. For example, if I'm gonna pull this hair down, look how long this hair is. It goes all the way down past to the bridge of the nose, right here, past the eyes. A lot of you are trying to get this haircut and your hair is like way up here. And you don't have enough hair length in order for the hair to do all of these things like flips and all that sort of stuff of what it needs to do, right? The next thing is you don't have the right layers or any layers whatsoever. So I have so many videos on hair layers and things like that. Hair layering is a technique designed to remove weight, and it also adds shape, AKA a flow, it adds softness, it adds feathers, it adds like all sorts of cool stuff, but it also allows this hair to have movement. So if you see, when I take this and I pull the hair up and let it fall down, all that hair is falling down in a certain place because it's all layered. Now when I turn the head, right, let's turn this head this way. If I turn the head, you could see right into here, all of this is sticking out and up in a certain area because it's layered the right way. And I actually created something called the TikToker Hairstyle Kit, which comes with my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray, which I suggest spraying when the hair is damp. You spray 2-3 spritzes in, you work it through, and then it comes with a round brush, which is a 2-inch round brush, and then my locked hairspray, which is like a matte finish, kind of like, imagine like a dry shampoo hairspray in a sense, right? It comes with that whole thing, and that's exactly what I used when I helped make this haircut go viral years and years and years ago. And the thing about this is now making sure that you have your hair long enough, because watch what happens. You see when I extend the hair, it goes all the way back. So for it to go forward, it has to be able to go back that same amount. So I'm gonna take my hands, I'm going to create a circular type motion, and I'm gonna pull the hair down like this, and you can see that now it's got all the flips, it's got all the texture, all because of everything being cut into place, because it has that, the hair is long enough in those areas, and then utilizing the round brush while you're blow drying it, that gives you the opportunity to help create those hair flips. Now, depending on what you want throughout the sides here, do you have to get a low taper fade? Do you have to get a skin fade? That all depends on you. Like, you don't have to, but you can if you want to. It's really a matter of taste. This may look a bit longer sooner because it's not so short. Maybe it's something different that you don't want to have like your hair really, really short. Fine, then you can just have a very, very, normal type of haircut where it blends even by hand or using like number 3 or 4 guard right into here, or scissors on the whole thing. The key is to make sure that this blends up all the way into all of this. So you see, this is a haircut that has a lot of hair. There's a lot of hair length, and a lot of times, if you're, especially if you're watching this and you're a teenager, you're in school, you may say, "Oh, my parents or my mom, she hates my hair. It's so long, and she wants me to get it cut." Well, I mean, like, I'm sorry that you're experiencing that, but just explain to them, saying, "Hey, look, this is the style. I'll keep it trimmed. I'll keep it maintained, but this is the style. Like, I want to keep this hairstyle." So what you want to do is just make sure then you're using the right products. Again, you can even use, I've got powders you can use, and if you are interested in purchasing any of this stuff, and I have literally dozens upon dozens of videos of me cutting TikTokers, of me doing this type of hairstyle, you could just type in the Salon Guy TikTok hair right here on YouTube, and you'll see all of the videos that I've done for years and years before it really became popular nowadays. So all you need to do is just make sure you have all those things in place, the right haircut, the right layering, the right length, and find someone who knows how to cut hair. Don't just walk into any random barbershop. Make sure that they understand layering. Show them photos of things like this, right? And if they butcher your hair, then they suck, right? The barber or stylist can't do a good job. They're just not good at doing these types of hairstyles. So find someone on Instagram, look at their page, look and see if they're doing these popular trends, and that should help you. If you want to purchase the products I'm talking about, then you can click on View Products right here, or you can go to shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I'll see you soon.